Craving chocolate cake? A few simple ingredients stirred together in a cup makes one serving of chocolate cake in less than 5 minutes. I've gathered everything I'll need to make my chocolate almond mug cake. A teacup-sized mug or teacup, all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, unsweetened applesauce, baking cocoa, baking soda, unsweetened silk almond, chocolate chips, and 3 unblenched whole roasted almonds. First is the dry ingredients. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of my flour to my teacup. Next is granulated sugar. 2 1/2 tablespoons are added. With this recipe, I keep the preparation simple. After adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, I simply eyeball the last half tablespoon with the 1 tablespoon measure. Baking cocoa is next. 1½ tablespoons. Once again, I'm simply eyeballing the half tablespoon of cocoa. With 3 of my dry ingredients already added to my teacup, there is just one more necessary dry ingredient to add: a very small amount of baking soda. Literally, just a pinch is required, less than 1/16 of a teaspoon, so I'll simply pinch the baking soda directly and add it to the dry ingredients in my cup. And with a fork, I'm stirring the dry ingredients together. Once the dry ingredients have been well blended, it's time to add the wet ingredients. Unsweetened applesauce is next, 1 1/2 tablespoons. Then, silk almond unsweetened original. I'll be adding 3 tablespoons directly into my cup. 1, 2, and 3. Now the most important part for a successful mug cake: stirring all the ingredients together really well. I'll continue to stir until I no longer see any unstirred flour. Scraping the sides as I stir ensures all the flour is mixed in well. Once the mug cake batter has been well stirred, it's time to bake the mug cake. Into the microwave it goes. I'll microwave this chocolate almond mug cake for 1 minute and 45 seconds. In less than 2 minutes, this mug cake will be ready. This microwave cake is ready, but it looks a little messy and unappetizing. I'm going to garnish it with 2 toppings, and you'll see it's going to be lovely. I'm roughly chopping my 3 almonds into small pieces. Collecting and sliding them haphazardly on top of my warm mug cake. The best garnish is left for last: the chocolate chips. Within seconds, the chocolate begins to melt on top of the warm mug cake into a luscious velvety chocolate syrup. It's time to grab a spoon and get ready to enjoy this mug cake while it's still warm and the chocolate is semi-melted. Now, doesn't this spoonful look incredibly delicious? Let's enjoy it. for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.